Danby portable air conditioners are versatile appliances that offer three primary operating modes to meet different comfort needs. Understanding these modes will help you use your unit efficiently and effectively. Cool mode is the primary function for air conditioning. You can set your desired temperature between 18 to 32 degrees Celsius or 64 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. The exhaust hose must be properly installed for effective cooling performance. Fan mode circulates indoor air without cooling, providing comfort while using significantly less electricity. This mode is ideal when you need air movement but don't require temperature reduction. Dry mode functions as a dehumidifier, removing excess moisture from the air. Unlike cool mode, there are no temperature adjustments, and the exhaust hose does not need to be vented outdoors. Modern Danby units include advanced features like sleep mode, which gradually increases temperature over time to save energy while maintaining comfort. Many models also offer smart capabilities with Wi-Fi connectivity and mobile app control. Understanding these operating modes and features allows you to maximize your Danby portable air conditioner's efficiency and comfort. Choose cool mode for temperature control, fan mode for energy-efficient circulation, and dry mode for moisture removal. Proper fan speed control is essential for optimal cooling performance. Your Danby portable air conditioner offers 3 fan speeds to manage airflow effectively. Use your control panel or remote control to manage all settings. The remote control offers convenient distance operation, and some models feature a follow me function that uses the remote as a thermostat for precise temperature control. The timer function allows you to schedule automatic operation. Set the timer to turn your unit on or off at specific times, helping you save energy and maintain comfort when you need it most. Regular air filter maintenance is crucial for optimal performance. Clean your air filter every 2 weeks using lukewarm water and mild detergent. A clean filter ensures proper airflow and prevents dust buildup. Proper exhaust hose installation is critical for effective cooling. Ensure the hose is correctly connected, unblocked, and properly vented outside. A loose or blocked hose is one of the most common causes of poor cooling performance. For basic troubleshooting, start with these essential checks. Verify the power connection, ensure the circuit breaker hasn't tripped, and confirm the air filter is clean. These simple steps resolve most common issues. Annual maintenance includes cleaning the condenser coils to maintain peak efficiency. Use a vacuum cleaner with a soft brush attachment or specialized coil cleaner. Regular maintenance extends your unit's lifespan and ensures optimal performance.